Hello YouTubers, this is my Technics SU-V900 amplifier, and it's a big one, it's huge. When this came out it was seen as top of the line, and it's still rated highly today. It has a cult following. Technics stuff generally has a good reputation. Not outstanding and not poor by any means, but somewhere above average. At least that's my impression. When I got this, the only issue with it was some dust and dirt which I cleaned off, and it had a missing knob here. These are the two, one there, one there. They were there originally, but this one was missing. Rather than just replace one chrome one, looked a bit odd, I wanted to replace all the matching knobs with the same type. So I've got these. I think they work okay. Ideally I would have liked to have had the replacement knobs to have some brass trim on them somewhere, to pick up on the brass trim on these switches here, but I don't have anything with that in my spares bin, and nothing's come up on eBay or anywhere I normally get my stuff from. So I've put these chrome ones on, and they fit well, and they look perfectly fine. So I put these on, gave it a clean, and I've had it in my collection for the past 6 months, and it works very well. As I mentioned before, with stuff that I'm going to show on YouTube that's going to be sold on eBay, I only show things that have something noteworthy about them. If they're particularly old, have an unusual feature, something like that. Why am I showing this? Well, the front is fairly bland. I mean, it's huge, but the quality of the construction is something else. Look at that. And huge capacitors, huge heat sinks, 2 quality transformers, good quality amplifier boards, good caps. Size of the thing. Okay, track's been selected. Before I start, just point out a few things. It has the usual array of tone controls. It's got a power amp direct switch, tone defeat, loudness control. These things are quite common in Japanese amplifiers. It's got Technics Class AA circuit, which is a bit of a misnomer. As I mentioned in past videos, you won't hear the full quality of the amplifier. You won't hear the quality of the sound it can produce. You will get an impression of the bass and the treble, which is why I move the controls around, so you can hear if it's there or not. But beyond that, you won't hear the quality. You hear simply the speakers at your end. But with that in mind, let's make a start.